Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss Agile and Scrum methodology. Scrum is a subset of Agile, and today we are going to discuss in detail about Scrum, Scrum planning, benefits of Scrum, and how we can implement Scrum in our organization with our IT teams. So today's learning objective is to provide information on Scrum and Agile methodologies to beginners on how they can increase productivity of their development team by using the concepts and the processes of Agile and Scrum. So let's start with what is Agile. Agile software development refers to a group of software development methodologies based on iterative development, where requirements and solutions evolve through collaboration between self organizing cross functional teams. There are a subset of methodologies that we see in Agile. For example, we have Scrum, Kanban, and extreme programming. These are a couple of examples that we have in Agile that IT teams take into consideration through their day-to-day activities and increase their productivity as they go with the implementation of their project. Let's see what is Scrum. Scrum is a particular set of practices that must be followed in order for a process to be consistent within the framework. For example, Scrum process framework requires the use of development cycles called sprints. The extreme programming framework requires paired programming and so forth. Benefits of Scrum. Development can be completed in half the time by avoiding unnecessary work, remove management pressure from teams, obstacles are prioritized and systematically purged through close communication and mutual agreement within the team. Continual inspection, adaptation, self organization, and emergence of innovation are some of the benefits of Scrum. We have three roles in Scrum: product owner who manages the backlog, Scrum master who manages the process, and development team who creates the increments of product. Let's go through the sprint planning. During the sprint planning, the product owner describes the highest priority features to the team, and the team asks enough questions that they can turn a high level user story of the product backlog into the more detailed tasks of the sprint backlog. Then we have daily stand up. In Scrum, each day team meets to discuss three main points: what they did yesterday, what they'll be doing today, and what's in their way. This is time boxed to 15 minutes, and team also discusses the risks and impediments if they have any. Next, we have sprint grooming. Backlog grooming is when the product owner and the team get together to discuss the appropriate prioritized items so they can be ready for delivery. Sprint grooming retrospective goes through. During the sprint retrospective, team discusses what went well in the sprint, what could be improved, what will we commit to improve in the next sprint. A roadmap is a plan of action for how a product or solution will evolve over time. When used in agile development, a roadmap provides crucial context for the team's everyday work. So this provides product vision, releases, and all. These are the references that I used to get through the slides, and this is the color palette. Thank you so much.